now! You're under arrest. Suspicion of theft of a motorbike.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Legit. I just want to let you know that this video is brought to you by LokPro. We've teamed up to offer you some of the best protection you can have for your disc locks on your motorbike. LokPro prevents your disc locks from being easily smashed off with a hammer or angle grinded. So stay tuned because soon we're going to be giving away one for free. Be sure to check out their website, link in the description, and also go follow their Instagram and give them some love. This is the moment a teenage motorcycle thief met his downfall in the form of a quick-thinking cop. The light-fingered 17-year-old was snared by PC Fagan after leading traffic officers on a high-speed pursuit throughout Newcastle back in August. He'd swiped the Honda PCX from outside Whitley Bay care home, but failed to realise it'd been fitted with a tracker. The owner had tipped off police to its whereabouts and police started to close in on its location. They ended up confronting the thief sitting atop the stolen motorcycle. The teenager, who can't be named because he's under 18, panicked and put his foot down, sparking a cat and mouse chase across Newcastle. The police traffic officers kept on the tail of the motorcyclist, and with the aid of the National Police Air Force, or NPAS, they were able to follow him. But PC Fagan decided to take a different approach. By anticipating the direction the thief was travelling, PC Fagan got out his vehicle and made an attempt to cut off his escape route. The thief went off-road in a bid to escape police, riding along a footpath in Burrell Avenue towards the A1, unbeknown to the fact PC Fagan was lying in bushes ready to pounce. Dramatic footage released by the police shows the moment the officer ambushed the driver and swiftly placed him under arrest.
You're under arrest. Suspicion of theft of a motorbike. Understand? Yeah. Never say anything. You may have your defence. You don't mention one question. You must let rely on code. Everything you do, say maybe get on your front. Hand up your back. Hand up your back. Hand it up. You're also under arrest on suspicion of dangerous driving and fail to stop. Did I pull my hood down there? No. Delta 910. Mailed it in, I've taken my big bike.
On Wednesday, the teenager appeared at North Teesside's Magistrates Court where he admitted theft of a motor vehicle, dangerous driving, driving without a licence and without insurance. The 17-year-old was handed a 12-month driving ban, but also locked up for 18 months at a youth detention centre. The investigation into the theft was conducted by Operation Benelli Team, a specialist task force dedicated to targeting those involved in motorcycle crime across the region. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts and opinions, so drop a comment down below. Lastly, I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone who helped out on Jack's GoFundMe. We managed to raise £405 out of the £300 target, and together we've helped get his bike back on the road, so thank you. I'll be addressing that in an entirely new video coming out shortly. Until then, you've been awesome, I've been Legit, I'll see you in the next one.